All right, this is that Homelite Super XL automatic. I don't know the year or anything, but I don't really care about that stuff as long as it works. I got the pictures that show you the condition of it. I probably will not be including the bar, mostly because it is a pretty new organ, and I have a lot of saws that can use it. So anyway, I just want to do a cold start. As you can see here, baseline temperature about 35 on the concrete. See here, it's been a pretty darn cold couple days here. So I did take the muffler off here to take a picture of the cylinder. But as you can see, there's it's all pretty cold. I don't think I really need to do too much more on that. You know, I didn't check to see if it had gas though. Should have checked that, I apologize. She is a little low. I got some here. All my saws, I should say all my old saws, I use 32:1, and all my new saws, I use 40:1. I do think that the older saws can use a little bit more oil. And I try not to store it with a lot of gas in it. But you know how it goes when you put stuff away in a hurry. This saw, honestly, I don't remember how many it usually takes to fire it when cold, but I'd say probably about 4 or 5. Let's do choke. It's really hard to do. Let's see if I can put my phone. Let's see, I'll just swap it with this Lombard. Can you see that? Yeah, it's perfect. All right, well, I'm gonna crank on her until she goes. I got choke on and ignition on. That's the biggest thing. see there. I'll do another start on it here, but it's always been a pretty good saw. I got another one over there and Macola that I probably use a little bit more, to be honest, but oh, one-handed start. This is fun. Anyway, that's the Homelite.